Is three-time Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit, who's seeking a fourth straight term. In our countdown to the big day, we take a look at the political journey of arguably one of the most successful women politicians in the country. From a teacher to the longest-serving Chief Minister of Delhi, Sheila Dikshit has come a long way. While these Delhi elections are her toughest political test yet, the 75-year-old is no stranger to fluctuating political fortunes.
We're trying for something.
Married to a bureaucrat, Dikshit's inspiration was her father-in-law, Uma Shankar Dikshit, a freedom fighter and a close aide of Indira Gandhi.
I never knew I would come to Delhi to join the politics here.
Right.
When I was asked to do that, I hadn't a clue about the political structure of Delhi, you know, the characters in it and all.
Yeah.
It was like a bolt from the blue.
In 1984, a Lok Sabha win from Kannauj in Uttar Pradesh served as the perfect launchpad for Dikshit. She served as a Minister of State for Parliamentary Affairs and then in the Prime Minister's office under Rajiv Gandhi, a move that indicated her closeness to the former Prime Minister. When she lost the Unnao Lok Sabha seat in 1989, she shifted her base to Delhi as the chief of the Delhi Congress. But it's as the Chief Minister of Delhi that Sheila Dikshit peaked in her political career, prompting many to argue that she may be all set for a bigger role at the centre.
I feel so delighted and that they have confidence in me. But at the same time, I feel extremely responsible that I should not let them down. I don't think of my future. I go along as I get a responsibility. I'm different in the sense that, you know, I haven't got an aspiration that I have to get there or anything else.
Those close to her describe Dikshit as a politician with compassion and dignity.
Yes, she is a politician, but she's also a very fine human being, a very sensitive, responsive human being. And generally people love her because she's very responsive to and warm.
When Delhi successfully hosted the Commonwealth Games in 2010, Sheila Dikshit described it as a high point in her career. But the taint of the corruption and the CWG scam didn't leave her government untouched. If the Congress loses Delhi, it would be the result of anti-incumbency, carrying the baggage of a 15-year-old rule in Delhi and the failures of the UPA government, marred by a series of scams. Price rise was perhaps the last straw. Irrespective of the outcome in a tight three-cornered fight in Delhi, Dikshit has already earned her place in India's politics as a woman of substance. In New Delhi, Neha Khanna for NDTV.